Okay, mag-snack muna ang mga bebe ko. Come on, come on. Baby, oh, yun na, wait. Immune support with antioxidants. I bought them some soft baked biscuits. A blueberry treasure. Favorite nila to yung heart shape, di ba? Remember? Okay, warrior. First baby, come here. Up na rito. Ching Ching, are you the one? Let's go, come here, Pendo. First customer, Chucky. Next baby, Walion. Okay. Next, Pete. Next, Rafi. Baby Rafi. Yum, yum, yum. Next is Defender. Ay! That's bad faith, ha? You shouldn't get what's not yours. Tama ba English ko? Next, it's Hope. Up. Oh, ba't nagpatikulong ka dyan? Bibigyan naman kita kahit di ka pumasok dyan. May labo, wag na magalit. O, papa mo na yan. Ay, ka lang na, dengoy mo ko. Kumain ka na kanina. Para si Choco, ha? Nagpakulong ka pa talaga, ha? Para mabigyan ka. Prank lang naman kasi bukas. It's time for bid. Oh, you catch na lang bid. Catch. Oops. Bid, you're done na eh. Ter naman. Doon ka, bid. Bids. Ter, you're here. Ter. Abot ba ni Mami? Abot. Heart. Bid. Huwag ka na mahiyain ng baby ko. Ay, si Ching Ching, catch mo na lang, baby. Eliana! Ikaw ba si Eliana? Here's my baby, oh. Huwag niyo awayin, ha? Oh, papa mo. Ellie, layuan niyo si Eliana. Yours is this, ha? Yours is that. Ang dami ng baby ko. Huwag ka dyan sa uling.